All right, my name is Design Logica. I'm coming to show you how to design this flyer, funnel flyer. If you want it, you can follow Design Logica on TikTok. Search so that you can follow, and then I'll share the file to you. So this is our background. We picked our background, and then I did some adjustment to make it look nice. And then I brought this rectangular tool. Then I brought this yellowish thing just to make it beautiful. After that, I brought the test. So this is the test for the family people, and then this is the funeral arrangement test. After that, what I did next was to come with the heading. No, the heading. So that is the call to glory heading. And then I brought the chief mourners, and then the name of the person, and then the age, and then any other test, something that you can write under it. And then I brought this picture. So if you want this file, follow Design Logica, or in the comment section you can drop that you need it, and then I will share the file to you. All right, follow us.